All right, hey guys, we just learned a little bit about Paul Klee. We're going to do an assignment based off of him. This is Paul Klee's cats. We're going to be using basic geometric shapes and our colors that we've already learned. We're going to do warm and cool colors. So if your cat is cool colors, then the color and the background will be warm colors. And if your cat is warm colors, then the color and the background will be opposite of cool colors. So for this project, you're going to need some type of circle stencil. I have an old DVD, a ruler, colored pencils, and a black Discuttle Crayola marker. All right, so to start off, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my CD or my circle stencil, whatever it is. And if yours is larger, that's fine. If yours is any smaller than this, I would maybe find something a little bit bigger. And I'm just going to center it versus both sides, and I'm gonna have a little bit of space at the top and then like a much larger gap at the bottom. Actually, I'm moving up just a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and trace around this, all right? And then I'm going to draw its body, and so I kind of like to find the center. I'm gonna go over slightly and curve this line down like this. Then I'm gonna curve my next line down on the other side like this. Then from here, I'm gonna draw a collar, and it's just the same angle as this one. So this is a curve right here. So I'm gonna give it a gap, and then I'm gonna do another curve right here like this. And then from here, I'm gonna draw some straight lines. I'm gonna use my ruler, and I'm gonna cut it in half-ish. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, and you're gonna draw a vertical line like so. Then you're going to draw a horizontal line on one side, and then you can either move your ruler up or down. I'm gonna move mine up, and then you draw a horizontal line on the other side so that these are not touching. Okay. Then next we're gonna move on to the face, and we're gonna start in the middle with our nose, and our nose is an upside down triangle. And then we're gonna use our ruler again, and you're going to line this up with the triangle points, and you're gonna come down slightly and then go all the way to the top like that. And then this has two lines that come down too. It's a sad cat. Okay. And then you have eyeballs, and your eyeballs can be whatever shape you choose. I'm going to do mine as just squares. So I'm gonna draw a square on this side, and I'm not gonna have mine even. So I'm gonna draw a lower square on this side. And then you need one more line at the top. So maybe if this square is lower than this one, you would draw it on this side, or vice versa. I'm gonna draw mine on this side. I'm just gonna break up that space one more time. Like so. Then we're gonna draw some whiskers. Now my whiskers might go by my eyeball. I'm gonna have it to where it doesn't cross it. They're gonna come down like this. And then the last thing I need to draw are my ears, and then they're just going to be slightly curved triangles on both sides. I like to try to make mine pretty even, so I'm gonna put little dots. I just go from here across. And then you have to figure out what geometric shape you want inside of those. I'm gonna do ovals. All right, and that's the basis of our cat. And you also need some type of shape on the inside of your eye. You can do diamonds, hearts, circles, whatever you choose. All right, and then you will outline this whole thing in black marker. Once you have outlined your project, you need to add a geometric pattern on the inside of your color and outline it in marker. Now that your cat is drawn, you will begin to color. If you choose your cat to be cool colors, then your eyes, nose, collar, and background will be warm colors, and vice versa. If your cat is warm, then your eyes, nose, collar, and background will be cool. Also, when coloring, make sure you do an inside outline and you color all one direction. Now that most of my cat's body is color, I will move on to the eyes, nose, collar, and background. Since my cat is in cool colors, the remaining areas will be with warm colors. If your cat is warm colors, then the remaining areas will be cool colors. It will switch. Don't forget to still color all one direction. That's it. Your Paul Klee inspired cat is now complete. I hope you enjoyed the lesson.